Mom, what is special about tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Independence Day.
Is Independence Day on August 15th?
Yes, it is on the 15th of August.
Why do we celebrate Independence Day? Because India became independent.
That is right. It is a very special day for us.
When did India become independent?
India became independent in 1947.
Who fought for our freedom?
Many brave freedom fighters fought for our country.
Can you tell us about them?
Yes, I can tell you about some of them.
Who was Mahatma Gandhi?
He was an important leader of India's freedom movement.
Was he a peaceful leader?
Yes. He strongly believed in nonviolence.
Mom, I want to learn more about India.
That's a wonderful idea.
Do schools celebrate Independence Day?
Yes. Schools usually organize special programs.
Will our school have a celebration?
Yes. We have a program tomorrow morning. What will you wear tomorrow?
I want to wear a traditional dress. Can I wear my white kurta?
Yes. That will look very nice.
Can I wear a tricolor ribbon?
Of course. That will look beautiful.
Do you know the colors of our national flag? Yes, they are saffron, white, and green.
What is in the center of the flag?
The Ashoka Chakra is in the center. How many spokes does it have?
It has 24 spokes.
Why do we respect our national flag?
Because it represents our country and its values.
I want to respect our flag.
That's very important, Lily.
Mom, can we decorate our house?
Yes, let's decorate it together.
Can I put up these paper decorations?
Sure, I will help you. Please be careful with the decorations.
Okay, Mom. We will be careful. Look at our house!
It looks beautiful.
Mom, can we practice our speech?
Yes, let's practice together.
Good morning, everyone. Direct.
Very good. Speak slowly and clearly.
India is my beautiful country.
Excellent, Lily. Keep practicing.
We should always respect our country. Yes. We should also help other people.
What can you do for your country?
I can study hard and become a responsible citizen. I can keep my surroundings clean.
That's a wonderful responsibility.
Can we wake up early tomorrow? Yes. We have to get ready early. I'm excited about tomorrow. I'm happy to see your excitement. Happy Independence Day! Happy Independence Day! Remember what this day means. We will remember our freedom. We should be thankful to our freedom fighters. Yes, we should always remember their sacrifices. I feel proud to be an Indian. You should always be proud of your country. I want India to be peaceful and happy. That is a beautiful wish. Let's promise to be good citizens. Yes, let's make that promise.
Love your country, respect others, and always do your best.
We promise, Mom. Happy Independence Day, Mom.
Happy Independence Day, my children. Jai Hind!